you gotta restart. Cook logs are ready.
Okay, now we're gonna add this to the butter, and then we mix it. So we're gonna mix it until it's all incorporated into the butter. When it's all in the butter, then we let it sit for 10 minutes so that the gravy doesn't have a powdery texture. When it incorporates with the butter and it's all smooth and silky, that's when you know it's going to be really good. But this is called a roux, by the way. It's where you mix powder ingredients with butter or oil. That's how you make a roux.
That's a roux?
Yes. R-O-U-X. Roux. So you mix this up until it's nice. Is it
a silent X?
Yes, it is. Okay, now this is all mixed together into a type of paste, and then you set it to the side and you let it incorporate for 10 minutes. So I'll turn off the other thing. So after 5 minutes, the biscuits are probably going to be done. Oh, they're looking good too. Dang. Those biscuits are looking fly, yo.
Oh, pause the video.
Okay.
We did it. We did it. Yay!
Yay! It's a high five, Joe.
Yay! Skip. Yay! Taking the biscuits out. Skip. Now it has turned into gravy.
It's turning into gravy.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
We're adding milk 1 cup at a time until it gets thick, until it's ready. Making sure it doesn't burn on the bottom.
Is it heat?
It's warm.
Is it heat? I said.
No.
It's not heat.
No.
Okay. I said not heat.
Yeah. So now we wait for it to get thick again,